been asked, do you have memory of where some of these jobs have gone on, and we've created this difference, this change, this efficiency? Well, I'll be honest with you, I can remember several, and it's just a case of picking one out here and there. Certainly, places like Borealis in Sweden, an excellent project there. And in fact, now I think we've cleaned 4 or 5 of their heaters, and we're part of their maintenance program. Yeah, again, I think they achieved 2% fuel efficiency improvement, and a stack temperature drop of 40 degrees. If I go to Oman, for instance, sorry, not Oman, go to Qatar, a job we did some years ago, we had temperature drop from 295 down to 183. So it's a huge drop in stack temperature alone. This was commented on by the client because he never thought it was possible to get down to back into anywhere near his original equipment stack temperature numbers. So again, great overall project. In fact, that one should be coming back round again soon. If I go to Sasol in South Africa, again, fouling was so bad, heat transfer was so poor that was actually an effect on production. So they were actually having to throttle back production at the time. The recovery on that went into the tens of millions of dollars, shall we say, per year. So yeah, there's 3 that I can think of immediately.